Hey brother, are you on the hunt for the absolute best hosting or coupon code or discount to maximize your savings right now? If you're tired of settling for standard 10% off codes and want that extra edge, I've got you covered. Through Hostinger's official referral program, using a verified referral link or code unlocks an additional 20% discount on top of their already impressive promotions, giving you significantly more savings than regular promo codes in the video description below. I've shared my personal referral link tailored for viewers in every country, complete with local language support and pricing in your native currency. Just click the one that matches your location. It will take you straight to the official Hostinger website with the discount tracking applied. Once you are on the site, head to the navigation bar and click on Products and Services or directly explore the hosting options. You will see the full lineup of Hostinger's powerful hosting solutions from shared hosting and WordPress plans to cloud, VPS, and more. The great news, my 20% referral discount works across all eligible Hostinger hosting plans. No restrictions. Pick whatever fits your needs best, whether it's basic web hosting, high performance VPS, or something specialized. For today's demonstration, let's go with one of the most popular choices, the self hosted NA10 VPS plan, perfect if you're into workflow automation and want full control. Here you will find the tiered KVM options: KVM1, KVM2, the sweet spot for most users, KVM4, and KVM8. Each comes with generous resources like vCPU cores, RAM, NVMe storage, and bandwidth. I'm selecting the KVM2 plan today. It's got solid specs for smooth performance without breaking the bank. Now proceed to checkout. You will clearly see the 20% referral discount applied automatically in the cart. No manual code entry needed thanks to the referral tracking. That's it, boom, you've just locked in the maximum possible discount on your hosting or purchase. If this quick guide helped you save big on your hosting, smash that like button, drop a comment with which plan you're grabbing, and subscribe to the channel for more money saving tips, tutorials, and exclusive deals like this one. Let's keep those savings rolling. See you in the next video.